How to find people on DeepSearch AI. Need to reconnect with someone or verify online profiles? DeepSearch AI lets you find people using names, emails, phone numbers, or usernames. Here's how to use it step by step. So start by creating an account on DeepSearch AI. Make sure you install the DeepSearch app into your mobile device first, and then you can go ahead and proceed on creating an account. So from here, simply click on continue, and this will load. So that will take you into this section. So as you can see, there are premium subscriptions available for this specific application. On the homepage, simply select this type full name section and then enter the name of that specific individual whom you want to search on the platform. So hit on search and deep search will display results. This may include social profiles, location data, and connected accounts. Use filters to refine results for accuracy. Advanced features include uploading a photo to find link accounts or searching dating apps like Tinder. Some of these require premium access, so remember accuracy depends on public data. Some results may be outdated or incomplete, so always cross-check before relying on them. And that is how to find people on DeepSearch AI.